Hey there YouTube, this is SGM4306 back with another video. We're going to make this a quick one. I was reached out to by a company called Katerk. They sell a bunch of Dremel accessories and tools and whatnot. Anywho, I just got this like micro Dremel here. It's battery powered. It's perfect. It came with a small bit set, but it doesn't have nearly as many attachments as I want. So their KRT A420 Max is a 420 piece accessory set by Katerk. It's under 35 bucks. It's a no-brainer, absolutely. Comes with a very nice carrying case here. And everything is very well laid out and organized. Everything that you would possibly ever need. You can see here we have attachments for sanding, drilling, diamond-tipped bits, polishing. You have wire brush, abrasive, different floofy discs, whatever you want to call it. We have multiple diameter collet attachments. We have multiple diameter sanding discs, little cutoff discs, buffing wheels, sort of this weird flappy thing. I've never actually used something like that before. We have polishing I have like a little polishing thing for any of the bladed things, diamond coated disc, a little wrench tool for attaching things and removing things, and yeah. So just going to do a quick demo. I have this piece, say I don't want these little plastic pegs that stick up. Say I accidentally modeled this incorrectly and I want to remove it after the fact. It's easy enough. Say I grab a cutoff disc. I only need a little one. That's not a cutoff disc. Yeah, one of these guys. So just going to grab a quick fiberglass cutoff disc. Grab one of these. A lot of the tools have multiples if it's something that could break or be consumable. I'm going to grab a collet, make sure that this fits, which it does. And there we go. So let's just cut a little. Probably don't need it that violent. And there we go. Just a few seconds. Obviously, this is plastic. Pretty easy to cut. But yeah, they have a bunch of different tools. If you need something a little bit more oomph, you can use a diamond cutoff wheel. I believe it even comes with polishing paste and whatnot. So if you need to polish using one of these softer pads, you could do that. Comes with different types of like abrasive discs and whatnot. So yeah, this has just about everything. I wish I would have had something like this years ago. Yeah, and everything just pops off there and you're good to go. There we go. And we're perfect. Good to go. Just leave that in there. And you're off to the next job. This is absolutely perfect. Saves me the trouble of buying different attachment tools individually. I can work on anything anywhere I want. All you need is a like a wireless Dremel. This will work with pretty much any kind of rotary tool because it has all the different collet sizes. So I checked, it works on this guy, it works on my larger Black & Decker one. And yeah, so overall for like 35 bucks, this is like a no-brainer. If you're a maker, if you need to get your hands dirty and cut and sand and polish things, like not necessarily in a home environment, like out in the field, this guy is absolutely perfect. So once again, huge thanks for Katerk for sending this guy in for review. This is a no-brainer for me, an absolute recommendation. If you are into DIY, get one of these and definitely make sure to check out. This is a Handheld branded Dremel, but Katerk sells their own types of Dremel as well. If you don't have one, pick one up right now ASAP. Anywho, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.